Hey class, I'm super excited to get to know you guys. My name is Megan Jenkins, and I'm really looking forward to this human physiology course. I'm currently in this class because of the COVID-19 pandemic. My university canceled all summer intensives, and so I'm taking this course and then general chemistry too. I am in these classes to catch up with my current degree program. I was nursing at Liberty University in Lynchburg, Virginia, and then I switched my degree to biomed. Because in my time working in the ER, I'm an ED tech, I realized that nursing is not for me and that I would rather be a doctor. So I made a switch. I'm a little bit behind in my degree. I'm currently a senior, but I'm looking to catch up in the next year. And in the course of this summer, we'll probably end up taking more classes with this university just to keep up with my degree program, and hopefully we'll get to graduate next summer. So I'm really looking forward to that. Some things about me. I just got married in January, right before the pandemic, so yay. Didn't have to cancel my wedding. My husband's name is Jordan. He just graduated and he was offered a job in Washington, D.C. as a personal trainer at Orange Theory Fitness. I am also a personal trainer. I'm a NASM certified CPT, as well as a precision nutrition coach. I love working with girls in the fitness industry and really getting down deep into the mindset behind it. I do want to be a doctor, not an ER doctor, but I want to be a psychiatrist to kind of get deeper into the brain and the mind. I've always loved that. And gosh, what else can I say about me? I love sports, but in particular, I love running. I've qualified for the Boston Marathon twice, and I'm finally going to go this year. It was supposed to be in April, but because of COVID, they moved it to September, so I'm training for that, and that's super exciting. I love cookies, specifically chocolate chip cookies are my favorite. Currently thinking about making them tonight. I definitely like biology classes more than I like chemistry classes, so I'm way looking forward to this one more than the other one I signed up for. And I have a golden retriever. His name is Levi. I don't have any pictures with me currently, but that's what I have. But yeah, I'm looking forward to taking these classes for my biomedical science major, and I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you.